Hi. So what I'm going to work on right now is cleaning up my bookmark bar because I'm annoyed with myself because I keep looking for the same things over and over and over. And so I just want to put them in the folder. So I don't actually like to have a lot of stuff on my bookmark bar. I really only want the stuff that I'm accessing super frequently. And then I like to have just the icons of the things that I recognize easily. So like I know that this is Canvas, Zoom. I mean, obviously I don't know what this is because it's just a Google Sheet, Aries. So I'm just going to clean this up and make a folder where I can throw all of these edit pages of the websites that I own in them. I could also do this through Google Drive. Like I could just make a shortcut in Google Drive, but I find that this is going to be easier for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is come over here and open up my bookmarks. It's showing on the right side where you can't see, but I'm clicking on a thing that says Bookmark Manager. It's going to pop open a new page here. And from here, I'm going to delete a couple of things that I don't use anymore. I do like to occasionally go through and kind of clean this up because, again, I don't like to have a bunch of stuff on my bookmark bar. I just find that it's too cluttered. I'm not quite sure why I need virtual manipulatives on that and why I ever had that. Get rid of this too. Delete. Okay, and then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder. And so I clicked on 3 dots in my folder. I'm going to call this my websites. And then edit, because I want to know that these are the edited versions or the edit pages for these websites. And I'm going to move this up here just because I want to. Put this in there. Click and drag. All right. I'll put the world languages website in there. And then the last one, I'm going to add this website in there. So to do this, I'm going to click the star. I'm going to add it to the bookmark and then right here. And then I'm actually going to change the name of this because I want to also know that this is the edit version, not the actual published version. If you did want to have something where you just wanted to have the icon, like here I have Canvas. If you wanted to have ClassLink or Aries. To do that, it's real simple. You just click here on the 3 dots, you choose edit, and then you just remove the name, and then it just shows the icon. So you see up here, I just have the icon. I'm not going to leave that one like that because that's not actually very helpful for me. So I'm going to put it like that. I like to keep my bookmark bar real clean. I find it's easier.